What's up, family? It's your boy Sneaker Junkie. I just want to make a quick video, a quick tutorial. I've been getting hit up a lot on the gram on how to cop sneakers on foot sites with the head starts, right? So real quick, real simple. Let's get into it. So the first thing you want to do, you got to download the app. If you don't download the app, you ain't gonna do nothing, straight up. So this is what I recommend as far as foot sites. When I say foot sites, I'm referring to Footaction, Footlocker, Champs, Finish Line, right? So Footlocker, Champs, and Footaction, their check-in all works the same, okay? Finish Line really doesn't have a check-in. Finish Line has a raffle, okay? So let me show you that really quick. When I mean a raffle, it's simple. If the shoes are dropping at your local Finish Line, there will be an opportunity for you to get into a raffle. Let me put this out there. None of this stuff, none of the raffles is guaranteed. None of the head start check-ins are guaranteed. None of that's is guaranteed. It's all really chance and luck, man. I'm gonna be honest. Even with bots, but that's a whole nother thing. Okay, it's all luck. So let's look at it. So Finish Line has what they call these raffles. I don't know if I can get into a raffle because I don't see anything present. Let me see. These all drop tomorrow, so of course those won't have any. I don't think I can really show you the raffles, but I can explain it. With a raffle, if the shoes is dropping in your city at your Finish Line, you can get into the raffle, and all you do is you accept it. You say, hey, I want to get in the raffle, and it's all via the app. I want to get into this raffle. You select your size, you select the store, and boom, you're in. And that's all it is. And if your raffle ticket is selected with the day that it shows you, you win. I think I have some. Okay, so here, let's look at this. Right. So here's what a raffle looks like. So these were the turbo greens that dropped yesterday, February 15th. I got into a raffle. I wanted a size 9.5. There's a price 160. And the day before they drop, you will get a notification via the app, and you would have to kind of like pretty much peel back if you won the raffle or not. If you won the raffle, all that does is reserve your shoe size at that particular store. You select it, and boom, you good to go. You go pick them up, you buy them, you ain't got to do nothing else, right? So that's a raffle, okay? Real straightforward, real simple. Get on the raffle, reserve it. Again, all these raffles are not guaranteed. Nothing's really guaranteed, but what it does, it gives you an extra foot up, an extra step up from the person who don't even have access to the app because they didn't download it, right? So let's keep pushing. Again, Footlocker, right? Champs, okay? And Finish Line, all their head start reservations or check-in all works the same. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go to my Footlocker because I spend majority of my money here at Footlocker, and I'll show you why. Okay, so what is this head start thing? When I post, I got a 10-minute head start. Let's go. Let's get on the gram. This is what I'm talking about. Okay, every shoe that drops, for the most part, you can get in on an early check-in, okay? So we see here, we see the Turbos, we see the Retro 6, the adult size, and then the gray school size. We see the Nike Adapts, and then we see the Air Jordan 1s Blue Chills, right? So what we're going to do is I'm going to go ahead and jump into my countdown. And so all these countdowns, right, for the most part, I have 10-minute head starts. So what does that mean? So look at that right there. What is a 10-minute head start, okay? When you open an account, free account, let me put that out there. To download these apps and to open an account is free. When you open a free account and earn head starts, you automatically get a 6-minute head start. Now listen, it doesn't cost you anything to get a 6-minute head start. All you do is download the app, create an account, click on the shoe, select the size you want. Let me go back so you can see right here, right? This is the shoe. You know, we can edit it, select the size you want, you select the city, right? Done. Then the quantity you can't change because you can only get one, right? Then you select the size, okay? Just like that. Whatever size they're having available, that's what you select, right? Once that happens, boom, you automatically get a 6-minute head start. So what does this head starts mean? So if the shoe drops at 7 o'clock, right? 7 a.m. If you got a 6-minute head start, that means at 6:54, you're going to get access to that shoe randomly. Now, again, just like the raffles, the same thing with these head starts. Just because you have a head start, it does not guarantee you a reservation. But by having head starts, it pushes you ahead of the regular consumer. Okay? To me, I don't consider myself a regular consumer. I'm a sneakerhead and I'm a reseller. Yes, sir. I just said it. I'm a reseller. So with that being said, download the app, create an account. Boom. You already got a 6-minute head start. How do you get more minutes? I'm going to skip the platinum and go to the check-in in the store. So download the app, create an account. You got a 6-minute head start, right? If you physically go to the store, check in with a code that one of the store's associates to give you, boom, you just added an extra minute. So now what? You got 7-minute head start. May cost you a little time to get there. Not necessarily. If you down for the shoes, it's worth it. You got a 7-minute head start. Here's a disclaimer. You don't always have to physically go to the store to get that 1-minute check-in, but I'm going to leave that for a whole nother video. So moving on. So how do you get the platinum 3-minute head start? How do you get a platinum account? So when you look at my account, I got all these pops-ups. As you can see, I have a platinum, account? I have a platinum membership account. How do you get that? So at Footlocker, Footaction, and Champs, if you spend $300 on a rolling calendar, you will automatically get a platinum membership. So what does that mean? So if you signed up today, February 16, 2019, and if you spend $300, you automatically get a platinum membership. I know $300 may sound like a lot to some, but in reality, if you think about it, it's not. If the Jordan 1s cost $150 a pop, if you buy 2 of those, maybe it take you a month, 2 months, 3 months, whatever, just buying 2 of those, that automatically gives you that platinum membership. What do you get with the platinum membership? You get discounts, rewards, blah, blah, blah. Most importantly, you get in that extra 3-minute head start, right? So if you downloaded the app, boom, that's 6 minutes. If you went to the store and checked in, or if you know the workaround like I do, we'll say that for another video, that's another minute. So now you up to 7 minutes. If you got the platinum membership, right, $300 on a rolling calendar, that means, let me explain that. A rolling calendar doesn't mean every January 1st, your platinum account is wiped away. No, you have a rolling calendar. So whatever day you sign up for, you have 365 days to spend that $300 and keep that account, keep that platinum status, okay? So with all that, that gives you that 10-minute head start. So as you see, the blue chills well, they got extended. They already dropped, but they got extended via Footlocker. They'll drop it in 3 days, and I got a 10-minute head start. So when the shoes drop at 7 a.m., at 6:50, my account, along with others who have a 10-minute head start, will randomly get selected to reserve that shoe. So I'll show you here. Boy, this is so much in here. I'll show you here. Boom. I reserved these a couple days ago, the Retro 6, okay? And with that reservation, I had a 10-minute head start. Let's see if I can find them right here. Oh, it's the same thing. So there you go. With a 10-minute head start, you reserve the shoe. So what does that do for you? For one, you ain't got to wait up for the site or get up early to get on Footlocker at 7 a.m. Because I'm going to tell you now, if you try to get on the site early before it drops, the box is going to kill it. I'm going to tell you straight up. Good luck. Right? 2, you don't got to go to the store. You ain't got to be at the store 2, 3, 4 in the morning to get some shoes. If you just go ahead and download the app, create it, check in, right? Spend that $300, boom. You got that 10-minute head start. It doesn't guarantee you a reservation, but it does help you and give you an upper hand on the average consumer, right? So there it is. How do I get a 10-minute head start on foot sites, Footaction, Footlocker, and Champs? Download the app, 1. 2, create an account. 3, physically checking at the store or know the workaround, right? 4, spend that $300 to get that platinum membership. And once you get that platinum membership, you automatically are going to get a 9-minute head start. Okay, let me put that out there. You don't always get the 10-minute head start. You get a 9-minute head start with the platinum membership. You get that last minute when you check in. When you check in physically at the store, or if you know the workaround to not even have to physically go to the store, just to check in no matter where you are. But that's for another video, okay? And last but not least, Finish Line has the raffle, okay? So it's your boy Sneaker Junkie. I hope this video wasn't too long. We're about 10 minutes in. I'm getting all these notifications because I got up. Somebody, are you one of I got a lot of things popping up my phone because this is a business for me. Okay, so it's your boy Sneaker Junkie. I hope this helped you out with learning how to cop on foot sites. This is just a basic tutorial on how to get those head starts. So get out there, do your thing, stay hungry for the sneakers. Make sure you follow me on Instagram at sneaker_junkie. Follow me on OfferUp too, because that's a whole nother beast, but that's where I find a lot of clients. OfferUp at sneaker_junkie as well. It's your boy Sneaker Junkie, man. Y'all be easy.